About to have the sign revealing here. They got their hands on the pulleys that will remove the cover. Oh, here we go. Hello, this is Dr. Jeff Kim, and I'm out here at the Foundation of Korea Language and Culture's grand opening of their facility.
Yeah, we're here today for the sign reveal as well as the open house of the Foundation for Korean Language and Culture's new building.
Which is really awesome. It's out here in Los Angeles.
And I flew in a couple days ago to participate in this history in making.
The Korean Language Foundation, they gave me a one-in-a-lifetime experience going to Korea, and I'm just so grateful to be an alumni and to be able to support this beautiful building that will continue the expanse of language and reaching our communities, our schools, our families.
When you become bilingual, you also become more understanding of other people's culture.
I'm so honored to serving at the Foundation for Korean Language and Culture.
I have been working with the Foundation for Korean Language and Culture for the past probably over a decade. And I have met so many brilliant and studious board of directors.
I'm principal at South High School in Torrance. We have a very active, thriving Korean program there. It's one of our largest groups on campus.
Center for Enriched Studies, where we are very happy and fortunate to offer a 4-year Korean language.
The beginning of opening up our town and our kids to a Korean cultural and language opportunity.
As you remember, last summer I had a chance to go with a team of educational leaders to Korea and go to so many places, learn about Korean language, culture.
After being a part of the trip that they sponsored, seeing the impact that language and culture has, as I think we talked about in your previous videos, being a part of a Korean American story, I think it really impacted me to where I wanted to be involved a little bit more and say, how can I, number one, enhance my own language and culture, but also to be an ambassador or a representative of that in whatever capacity I serve. So
a couple of years ago, Samsung announced that they were building the largest chip factory in Taylor. It is directly across from our high school.
I'm so honored to be here and invited. I have to pick and choose where to attend because suddenly I'm so popular. Everybody wants me. Korean language is the one that I am who I am right now. And the Korean languages are becoming a worldwide language. I would like to congratulate your foundation's 30th anniversary, and Dr. Liu, I'll be happy to present this to you. Certificate of recognition by the state of California, the Foundation for Korean Language and Culture in the USA.
I'm so overwhelmed and I'm more proud.
Congratulations for Foundation for Korean Language and Culture in the USA.
I just want to say a big congratulations to the Foundation of Language and Culture.
Really wishing them the well, giving them a big congratulations.
Congratulations, Foundation! Congratulations! I am so happy!